intelligence is media are all types of jobs which can inform since the creation of the world. Man has faced life's challenges with his mind. Human intelligence is what distinguishes him from other creatures. There is a long list of inventions that speak volumes about human intelligence. People with the same intellect invented new methods for sending messages between individuals. Electronic media played a crucial role in the timely delivery of these communications, whether they were sent to an individual or a large group. These achievements in mass communication are attributed to human creativity. With the rise of modern technology, it became clear that we didn't have an artificial mind that could solve any problem on its own. So human intelligence got to work making one. Now, artificial intelligence has become a reality in this era of information technology. We can define artificial intelligence. It is the process of making computers that can do anything like learn, reason, and fix their mistakes on their own. Computers can be used to make people smarter by giving them access to mechanical tools that make programming more efficient. Things have changed quickly, and so have their meanings over time. Recent definitions of artificial intelligence say that it imitates intelligent human behavior, which is a very strong definition. The process of conveying information to a large number of people is called mass communication. Mass communication is done through mass media, which are forms of technology that can send information to large numbers of people, many of whom do not know the sender. For example, radio and television. Mass communication is used to entertain, teach, and disseminate political messages. Marketing, public relations, and media are all types of jobs that deal with mass communication. Artificial intelligence has also revolutionized the field of mass communication. To understand it better, we divided it into three categories: automated content creation, better targeting and personalization, and better engagement. Now let's review these categories in detail. Automated content creation. Automated content creation through artificial intelligence is now surprisingly a reality. Quality writing is the most important factor in creating any type of content in the field of mass communication. Artificial intelligence has now ensured this. Now you can write a quality essay on any topic in a minimum amount of time. All areas of mass communication will be able to benefit from it. Now it will be very easy for you to write according to your medium. Artificial intelligence can complete this task for the user in a very short time, regardless of the type of writing. Simple, complex, poetry, drama, film, advertising, or public relations. Filming any script for the masses has always been a laborious task for film producers. The modern technological facilities of TV and film production certainly made it somewhat easier, but not everyone was able to master the steps involved in making a video. I believe that artificial intelligence has made it so easy, but it cannot replace the creativity of any human being. Yes, however, the video creator will find many such artificial intelligence platforms that can provide a good starting point for the new entrant in the media industry. Artificial intelligence has now made it possible to visualize your dreams. Then you can save it according to your need. All you have to do is write the idea that comes to your mind in the form of words and sentences on the artificial intelligence platform. And in no time, your idea will appear on the screen in the form of an image. Improve targeting and personalization. Artificial intelligence has also revolutionized the field of better targeting and personalization. Through improved data analysis, it is now possible for artificial intelligence-enabled data analytics to help individual and corporate content creators gain granular insights into viewer behavior, preferences, and trends, which can inform content creators and developers on how to produce content for the masses according to their niche market. By bringing relevant content to the masses, artificial intelligence has proven its worth. This series will undoubtedly help in strengthening the relationship between content creators and viewers, as well as foster a learning and teaching environment. Similarly, artificial intelligence can help any brand better understand customer needs and develop products to meet those needs. As a result, the advertising, marketing, and public relations sectors can be strengthened. The delivery platforms is an important aspect of the success of digital enterprises. Now, artificial intelligence is enhancing it efficiently through mass communication. This can be accomplished through faster delivery times, more accurate tracking, and enhanced customer communication. Improve engagement. In the sphere of mass communication, artificial intelligence has considerably boosted user engagement. As a result, users can now improve user experiences, automate interactions, and boost user engagement in all areas of user media communication. Artificial intelligence has excelled in connecting more people, creating personalization content, and improving communication. Thus, artificial intelligence now personalizes content for each user, automates tasks, and above all, improves the user experience. Artificial intelligence is used in mass media communication to automate interactions like picking material, writing emails, and scheduling social media posts. Artificial intelligence algorithms give content creators information about viewers that help them figure out how changes in media output affect people. This helps improve mass communication campaigns by customizing content or different groups or making targeted messages based on user interest or demographics. With artificial intelligence, computerized fact-checking makes sure that mass communication is correct, and writing, audio, and video editing apps make it easy for reporters and editors to make interesting content quickly. Algorithms that use sentiment analysis can correctly guess what people are thinking. Creating content that is based on these algorithms may boost audience engagement and make their experience better. We can say that artificial intelligence has many rewards for mass communication, such as automated fact checking to ensure the accuracy of the information, sentiment analysis programs to detect people's thoughts, and web based search engine optimization techniques to make sites more visible. However, there are some issues with the use of artificial intelligence in mass media that need to be considered. For example, jobs may be lost and decisions may be made in a biased manner. I hope you now have a better idea of how artificial intelligence is shaping the mass communication field. So get ready to update yourself to face future challenges and succeed in your life. I will see you very soon with the next informative video. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Human intelligence is media are all types of jobs which can inform